Hey students! Welcome to sqadia.com. Let's talk about Perampanel. Perampanel is a noncompetitive AMPA glutamate receptor antagonist. An antiepileptic drug indicated in patient over 12 years old for the treatment of partial-onset seizures. Glutamate is the major excitatory neurotransmitter of nervous system. It acts by binding with AMPA receptors. AMPA receptors are postsynaptic ionotropic excitatory receptors with glutamate binding sites. During epilepsy there is overactivity of AMPA receptors. Perampanel binds with AMPA receptors at sites other than glutamate binding sites. It blocks the glutamate-mediated activation of AMPA receptors, hence treating seizures. If your books are giving you hard times, join us on sqadia.com.